Hey, what's going on? I hear something in the other room.
I've got 2 eyes and 2 ears.
Hey, what's going on in here?
And toes. I've got 2 eyes and 2 ears.
Is this like a party or something? It's a cleaning party.
I've got just 1 tongue.
Robin's cleaning.
With my eyes I can say
Mary's cleaning.
with my ears I can hear.
Robin's cleaning.
With my nose
And Keone's cleaning.
everything smells.
Not.
Taste with my fingers, touching with my toes. But when it comes to tasting things, there's just one way to go.
Woo!
2 eyes and 2 ears, 10 fingers and toes. I've got 2 eyes and 2 ears, 2 nostrils in my nose. I've got 2 hands and 2 feet. But what I want to know is how come I've got just 1 tongue? I can see the car coming down the street. I hear mommy and hear daddy when they speak. My senses are just great red. My food is on my plate. Is it hot? Is it
Harvey, we gotta get away from Mommy and Auntie Mary.
Then I try it on my tongue. Yeah.
Oh my. Oh my. I sound like George. What's his name? Take, the guy from Star Trek. Oh my.
I guess that's 1 tongue. 1. I just got
1 tongue.
I don't want lunch. I'm only going to eat candy for the rest of my life.
But cool, dude. Every part of your great body needs good food, not junk food. Look, I've got an idea. We'll play a game. You beat the cheese and I'll feed the bread. Will it be the peanut butter jelly spread? Susie be an apple and make yourself yummy. And we'll all have a party in Cool Dude's tummy.
Cool dude's tummy.
The eggs and I'll be the toast. Betsy be the cereal he likes the most. Susie be a muffin with a little honey. And we'll have a breakfast party in Cool Dude's tummy. Hey, cool dude, you need good food. Throw that junk away. Candy is dandy every once in a while. But you need good food every day. Look, I've got an idea. We'll play a game. You
Sunday
beat
fun?
the cheese and I'll feed the bread. Will it be the peanut butter jelly spread? Susie be an apple and make yourself yummy. And we'll all have a party in Cool Dude's tummy.